In order for you to withdraw money from a watch only wallet, what you have to do is to launch your Trust wallet. Okay, so this is my Trust wallet. So I'll come to settings. Now go to wallet. Okay, so I have two watch only. So if you have a watch only wallet and you want to load it, you click on the plus here. I already have an wallet. Then you click on BNB. You go to address, then you input the address. Alright, so I'll import. Okay, so this is the wallet. Okay, it has a lot of money, which is increasing each and every day, yes, each and every day. So $15,000, 850, that's 42.49397 BNB, and it's always increasing. So what we have to do is, after loading it here, you go back. Then you need a Pay Exchange app. So you have to DM me for the app. Yes, I'll leave my WhatsApp number in the description, so you chat me private for the app and the logins too. Yeah, so there's the logins. Okay, alright. So no, okay. So come in. Alright. So you inbox me for the login. Yes. Alright. So you inbox me for the login. So after you log in, you go to withdraw. You go to local wallet, then you enter the BNB address that you want to withdraw from. So this is the address. I'll enter any amount, $200. Your full name. I'll use the name of the Momo account. Yes, that's the name of the Momo account. So I'll enter my Momo number. I'll re-enter. Okay, now transfer funds. So it shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. Yes, so please like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.